Right now you're thinking, isn't vocational school just for high school students? What can OCVTS do for me? Ocean County Vocational Technical School has many program offerings for adults in Ocean County. Adults holding a high school diploma or high school equivalency diploma and graduating high school seniors. If it's time for a change, OCVTS can put you on the fast track to your new career.
OCVTS offers a diverse range of courses, all geared towards preparing students for a new career field or college. OCVTS is committed to providing students with the education and hands-on experience they need to make a new career work for them. And because OCVTS is an educational institution, federal and state financial aid is available to all students.
Financial aid has really helped me with paying for school. They've been nothing but great for me and my family.
So I'm a veteran. The VA pays about 70 to 80% for me based on my active duty time and my time in the reserves.
We'd like to take this opportunity to highlight the areas of study and hopefully answer any important questions you may have along the way.
Precision Machine Technology offers accelerated training in the modern manufacturing industry. Areas of study include CNC theory and operations, automation, prototyping, production planning, robotics, and more.
I work in the industry. I'm a CNC machinist by day, and I come to this class at night to just gain more knowledge.
The main reason that I took the course was to get a new career change. Over the course of the 10 months so far, it's been mostly hands-on experience.
Students will experience operating an expansive range of machine tools and systems.
You can read about it, you can watch videos on it all day long, and you're only going to gain so much knowledge from that. You need hands-on to really have a well-rounded understanding of what you are trying to learn. What excites me about this class is the prospect of being able to command a higher salary due to my newfound knowledge.
The program provides a solid foundation of skills and modern workplace-ready competencies to successfully enter this in-demand career. Students are also afforded the opportunity to receive OSHA safety certification training.
After this course, they have the option of going directly into the trade, and some students will take it and pursue an associate's or a bachelor's degree in some sort of engineering field.
The Certified Medical Assistant Program provides training towards a career that is both fulfilling and in high demand. This program emphasizes physician assisting skills and includes administrative and clinical components. Learn about medical terminology, medical law and ethics, insurance billing and coding, and so much more.
I've been in medical, but I've always wanted to get into working in the office and learning both the front and the back of the office. And this program actually provides an overview of all of it. You learn the front desk all the way to caring for the patients and to doing whatever you can to assist the physicians as much as possible.
The main reason I decided to take this class is my love to help patients and to take care of people.
Students will learn to assist the physician with special procedures and minor surgeries, plus acquire skills needed for laboratory procedures, vital signs, electrocardiograms, and even venipuncture.
You're going to love the class, you're going to love all the hands-on activity, and you're going to love the teacher also.
We go through the whole scenario of what it would be in the doctor's office, so that this way when we do get out into the field, we're comfortable with it.
Upon completion, students may pursue certification as a National Certified Medical Office Assistant or continue their studies for radiology technician, licensed nurse, or health information technologist.
I worked in medical for a lot of years, so it's exciting to be able to teach something that I am so passionate about. We do have a job placement coordinator, so she's super helpful with getting resumes out there. We have a job board that is in the school itself. I myself also have contacts, so if I hear of a job, I try to place the student myself.
New home construction. Employment for construction trades is projected to grow rapidly in the coming years. Let's construct your future together in this 10-month fast-track program. New home construction teaches hands-on skills applicable to framing, siding, roofing, and drywall. You'll actually build a house from the foundation up.
I decided to take the program because I have a real estate investing business and we buy properties and rent them out. You have to pay contractors a lot for expenses that come with rental properties. I wanted to be able to do the work myself instead of paying the contractors.
In the classroom, students learn the essential tasks for constructing homes, including job safety, use of tools, and blueprint reading.
Everything is hands-on. We don't really spend too much time in the classroom, so if you are ready to get down and dirty with what you do, then that's what we do.
You'll learn theories and techniques of construction and put them to use. New home construction is your opportunity to learn a trade, build your career, and do something great for your local community.
The kind of student we're looking to have in this class is someone who's dedicated and committed to succeeding, because with all the things we can offer you here, you can definitely be successful if you want to.
The Ocean County Center for Culinary Arts offers a delicious 10-month program, which is located at Cuisine on the Green at the Atlantis Golf Course in Little Egg Harbor, where students operate a real restaurant, bar, and banquet facility. Here you'll learn about food safety and develop culinary preparation skills.
As soon as we walk in a classroom, we're immediately cooking. Our chef, he'll go over some skills that we're not very familiar with, and then we go right in.
You don't notice the improvement that you're making until you're in an actual kitchen setting and you realize that, hey, I've done this stuff before, I do it in class all the time, now I can do it here.
You'll prepare American and international dishes and discover the world of ecology as you utilize locally sourced foods, including responsibly caught seafood. OCVTS places a strong emphasis on environmental impact. Students at Cuisine learn to conserve energy and materials and eliminate non-recyclables. They even maintain their own vegetable garden, which supports the restaurant. These are important aspects of our curriculum.
I think in order to be in this class, you have to be creative too. You want to stand out.
When I was younger, I've always wanted to be a chef. So now I'm actually able to work as a prep cook on a line, or work as a line cook, hopefully in the future.
At Cuisine on the Green, you will also explore nutrition and dietary diversity. You will acquire the tools you need to successfully work in or manage any restaurant.
Certifications tied into the course include the Food Management Professional. There are also some management certifications through the National Restaurant Association. We have people working in all facets of the industry, both as executive chefs, managers, owners. So there's a pretty wide range of success stories from our culinary program.
Shift your career into gear after 10 months on the Automotive Technology Fast Track. If you're interested in becoming an automotive technician, this course is for you. Students will learn the tools of the trade with an emphasis on shop safety, maintenance, parts, and service.
I decided to take this program because I needed a new start. My passion for automotive has always been since I was 10 years old. So now, last summer I got the pamphlet. I decided it's now or never to take this program and follow my dream to be an automotive tech.
Throughout my life, my dad rebuilt cars, and I was one dragged out to pretty much do it. So I just grew a love for it growing up.
It's pretty cool and pretty intense to have your hands in the car and to be able to do everything with confidence. My favorite part of coming into class is all the hands-on knowledge and also learning from your peers.
Your hands-on education involves engine operation, performance and repair, automotive electrical and electronic systems, brakes, steering, and suspension.
They teach us basic maintenance. We learn about engine repair, getting a transmission, AC condensers, radiators, basically all that.
Ocean County Automotive Tech really helped save my dad's business and helped me get a professional career, to be honest with you.
Successful completion of this program prepares students for ASE certification and employment in the automotive repair industry. Advanced college credit is also available should you wish to continue your automotive technology education.
I'm going to continue pursuing education. I actually have signed up for the Ford Asset Program in Gloucester County.
My favorite part is working on the cars, getting the students down there, getting them excited, especially after going through a lesson, going through theory. And to some of the students, theory is boring, but once we get down into the shop and we actually physically take something apart, everything begins to click, and then they understand exactly what we were talking about in the classroom.
The OCVTS Cosmetology program teaches students all aspects of hair, skin, and nail care, and preparing students for their state licensing exam. This hands-on course will teach you how to cut, style, and dye hair, perform manicures and pedicures, and provide advice on skin and hair cleansing products.
I heard about the OCVTS Cosmetology program actually through my high school. I had to get my life together and do something that I actually loved and was interested in.
It's just 1 year, and then you get your full cosmetology license, state license.
Students will gain real-world experience and learn the aspects of business management that's necessary for working in the industry and opening your own shop.
In the future, I would like to have my own salon. I currently work at a salon. I'm an assistant.
Miss Stewart is like one of the best teachers. She had us all prepared for our tests. She had us prepared for our practical.
We're looking for someone that has passion for the field. You know, they have to want to work hard, because it's not an easy business. You have to be on your feet all day. I came from here, I graduated from here. I teach in the same classroom that I did graduate from. I just love this school. I love what we stand for. For me, it's personal. I am a true OCVTS poster child.
The Practical Nursing Program is the key to a healthy career in the medical field. OCVTS students are taught the fundamentals of nursing in both a classroom and hands-on clinical environment.
The best part of this program is in 10 months, I can get a career as an LPN and be employed, gainfully employed.
I love it. I feel that it's given me a lot of hands-on experience.
Learn anatomy and physiology, nutrition and diet therapy, pharmacology, and more.
I love being out in the field and working with patients. Just a thank you from a patient, even once a day, makes my whole day.
Graduates of this program are prepared for the state exam to become licensed practical nurses and ready for employment in hospitals, assisted living facilities, doctors' offices, and more.
These students are on the floor a good portion of their program, at least 40 to 50% of their program, if not more, is hands-on.
Financial aid is an important consideration for many of our adult students. The Financial Aid Department will walk you through the entire process.
The Kickstart is applying to one of our programs, being accepted, then you can apply for financial aid.
I myself qualified for financial aid, so part of it was paid through that, and then the other part of it was where I paid some out of pocket. It really wasn't a struggle, and the woman that they have that actually does the financial aid, very, very knowledgeable, and made the process extremely easy.
OCVTS participates in both the federal Pell Grant and federal student loan programs. Students may apply by filling out the required forms.
It is affordable, and they'll have Pell Grants out there, so always apply for them. You never know how much you're going to get.
The financial aid is such a crucial tool to help them successfully complete their program without having to worry about financial issues.
I do have financial aid, but compared to other cosmetology schools, it's so much cheaper.
According to our graduates, OCVTS provides the skills you'll need and use throughout your professional career.
I'm currently working at a doctor's office with geriatrics, and I've been working there for 6 months. My long-term plans definitely include I want to work in pediatrics. I want to make sure all the kids of our future generation are healthy.
I plan on working with my uncle for a few months. He owns his own construction business up north. And then after that, doing the union test and trying to get into one of those.
2 years down the line, 3 years down the line, 5 years down the line, I want to run the office. I don't want to just be the hands-on.
When I graduate, hopefully I want to work on a cruise ship for a while. And then after I've earned enough money on the cruise ship, go back to another school and earn my bachelor's degree so I can become a culinary teacher myself.
A number of my students have made it into the Carpenters Union, and that's a great way to make a living.
So now you know exactly what OCVTS can do for you as an adult student. It's a great way to gain knowledge and experience in your new field of interest. And it enriches the educational process, using a hands-on approach to apply what you're learning to your specific interests. And best of all, financial aid is available to eligible students.
At OCVTS, these are just some of the programs available for adult students. If you like what you see and you want to get great hands-on training that will allow you to enter a new career field, call us today
at 732-473-3100.
Extension 3157.
or visit OCVTS.org. Career ready, college ready at OCVTS.